Lashes! Welcome back again to my channel. And I know it's been a while na masabi ko ulit yung line na yan. And I'm just so happy to be back again after 6 long months. And sa tagal ng yun, a lot happened talaga. That's why let's try to squeeze all of that using the clips I gathered for the past months. And actually, mga highlight lang to ng important events that happened starting with this room makeover.
But before that, kwento ko muna sa inyo why we ended up arranging our room again.
3, 2, 1.
So during my social media break, biglang pumasok sa isip ko na, gusto ko mag-business. That's why we started to think of a business, create a name, a purpose, trial and error of products, and generally building our very own business, which is now called Clean O'Clock. And yung pagbibuild na yon, that is 4 long months kasi dalawa lang kami. And we ended up sa cleaning products kasi ayun lang yung pinaka-achievable sa amin for now. And by the way, our products are available on Shopee, TikTok Shop, and soon on Lazada too. And because of that, we did a room makeover. Well, actually, hindi pala siya room makeover. More like room rearranging lang ang nangyari. Kasi kailangan ko talaga ayusin yung room ko sa way na magkakasya ko siya with our stocks. So, hindi ko na siya ginawa ng YouTube video kasi actually for me, it was a room downgrade. Kung pag-uusapan yung looks kasi nagbuka talaga siyang stock room sis. But it's okay, para naman sa business. And yeah, here's how it turned out. Then, 2 months after, super busy days came.
Hey guys, time check. It's 8:12 na ng gabi. Ginabi na ako guys. And ito pa lang yung napapak ko. Actually, meron pang 10 orders na lang. Pero bukas na lang yun. But yeah, here are our orders. And by the way guys, I'm super happy kasi kahapon pa tong ang dami lagi ng orders. Actually, mas madaming order kahapon. Like, umabot siya ng 60 orders and I'm so thankful na finally nakikilala na yung brand namin. So hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy na yung orders. Wait lang, hingin mga aso ko naglalaro sila. Chloe! Chloe, no! No! Ew! So, yun guys, hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang init and sobrang haggard ko na. So, maligo na ako.
Then, my 24th birthday came. I decided to celebrate my birthday at La Union to unwind and enjoy. Kaya hindi ko na siya ni-film kasi I don't want to think of any work or kahit anong iisipin. Besides, I think I deserve it naman and sana hindi kayo magalit na hindi ako nag-vlog pero sana ibigay nyo na to sa akin kasi from that trip, I just wanted to live that moment.
There. Hey guys, welcome back again to my vlog. Grabe, it's been a while. And yeah, this just feels so refreshing kasi nagawa ko ulit mag-vlog after so many attempts. Pero yun, bago muna ang lahat, nararamdaman ko na kasi nagdadry yung face ko. So mag-skincare muna ako because I'm going to an event. Meron tayo pupunta ang event which is Inspi Creators Night. So it's around Tomas Morato and it's a shirt brand or clothing brand. And alam ko, most of you siguro alam to kasi sikat siya sa Shopee. So they have online stores ng kanilang mga oversized shirts. Especially, ayun kasi yung pinaka-product nila, like oversized graphics shirts. So yeah, we're going to that event. That's why, ayan, mag-prep tayo. Nakahanda na yung mga makeup ko dito. And babalikan ko kayo guys kasi this makeup needs rush. So kailangan ko mag-focus and bilisan na tong makeup na to para bongga. Okay guys, so we're done. Ayan, makeup na ako, hair, and then outfit. So this is our final outfit. Ayan lang siya. Tapos, ito lang yung pinakabag ko. Yung gift sa akin ni Amon. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Yung pinaka-team kasi is Garcon. I don't know if I pull this off. Pero kasi kailangan gamitin yung mga shirt nila. So, ayan, talagang ginawa ko ng paraan kung paano siya magkakaroon ng dating or talagang Garcon style. So, this is what I came up. I like my makeup today. And by the way, yung buhok ko dapat naka-spike ito eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano. Nakilang hairspray na yan, guys. Sobrang tigas na nan, pero bumababa talaga siya. Anyways, okay pa rin naman. And yeah, we're gonna go. Nahintay ko lang si Amon. And we're right on time kasi magpa-5 pa lang. And 5:30 yung call time doon. Tapos, malapit lang kami doon. Thomas Moroto lang naman. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. We're here. So, papasok na kami sa...
They said it was easy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Call me when you need me. I don't wanna seem so easy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Do it on your mind still, never do it I still want. You should never see that I don't wanna fight it. Don't know when I ride, it's easy, yeah, for me. To leave it all behind when nobody's around still. When I feel alive, I never know if I'm honest, like going overboard. Never get around, always laying low. You just run around, acting like I don't fight, like I can't change my mistakes. Leave all the shit you don't behind. Love life don't make sense, but you said, you said, you said, you said it was easy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Call me when you need me. I don't wanna speak, it's easy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Do it on your mind still, never do it I still want. You should never see that I don't wanna fight it. Don't know when I ride, it's easy, yeah, for me. To leave it all behind when nobody's around still. Want a minute now, I don't want a minute now.
Good day, guys! Diba, nung nakaraan is binenta ko na yung bed ko. Tapos, sabi ko, bibili ako ng bagong loft and then look what we have here. So yeah, officially back to loft bed na tayo. Kasi guys, I have no choice. Kailangan ko mag-loft talaga. Dahil sobrang sikip na ng kwarto ko, sis. Hindi na kinakaya. Wala na akong magalawan and all. That's why loft bed is the way. So back to akyat baba na naman tayo. Lalo na kapag naiihi ako sa madaling araw. Diyos ko, bababa pa ako ng hagdan. Pero that's fine because we have no choice. Anyways guys, look at my current situation. Wait. So, this is what I'm talking about. Ayan. Itong mga stocks ko ng mga box. Mas madadagdagan pa yan. Actually, magta-times 2 yan, guys. Di pa kasi dumadating talaga yung pinaka-stocks, pero madadagdagan talaga yan. And then, ito yung pinaka-loft. Ito pala yung kinuha ko. Kahoy na siya for this time. Kasi, nung nag-metal frame lang ako na color white, parang uga-uga kasi siya kapag akit baba. Ganun. Yung may tunog na ganon. Pero ito wala na talaga. Mas matibay ito. Yung ganitong klase ng kahoy, pero hindi ko na siya pina-white kasi wala na akong budget, sis. Ang dami ko nang in-adjust for my room. Pero okay pa rin naman yung color niya. Ayan, it complements. Hala, nag-aaway. Ay. Kaka Chloe, no. No fighting. No. Grabe si Chloe yung itsura, oh. Away na away, oh. Kaka. Hi. Anyways, ayan na siya. O, diba? Pagpasok mo, mukhang bodega yung kwarto kasi. So, dito ko na nilagay yung mirror. And meron ako dyang ilalagay na mini or slim cabinet. Which is ito. Mamaya natin na-unbox yan. Tapos ito guys, pinagkasya ko lang talaga to. Yung dalawa kong drawer. Tapos itong pinaka-table ko. Ayan. Buti kasya sila dyan. Pina-adjust ko kasi ng konti or pinahaba ko. Tapos diba, dalawang shelf yan. Yung isa tinanggal. And then, ito na lang natira. And bala ko maglagay dito. Dito ko lalagay yung isa. Pero wala pa akong pang drill. So, waiting for that. And ayan, sobrang gulo ng gamit ko guys kasi hindi ko pa talaga alam yung ayos dahil nagsisidatingan pa lang yung mga package ko. So for now guys, ang pinaka-agenda today is first, ayun, unbox natin yung mga package na binili ko sa Shopee. Tapos, yeah, organize na natin and let's try our best to make this as presentable as possible kasi for now parang nahihirapan ako dahil mukha talaga siyang bodega sis. I don't know kung paano ko. Pero yeah, that's the way it is. Dahil nag-business na nga ang ate mo, no more aesthetic room, and yes to stock room. So, kailangan matapos to today, so let's unbox. So, unbox ko muna to, maliit, palaki ng palaki. So, this is the first one, yung hanging basket, which is ilalagay ko dito sa taas ng loft. Dahil wala akong mesa sa taas, so hindi ko alam kung saan ko lalagay yung cellphone ko pag matutulog, ganyan. So, dito na lang siya. So, nakaganyan lang siya sa pinakataas. And ganito, yung magiging itsura niya sa taas. See? And then, next one, this one, ito, trolley organizer. Nakalagay dito, no video, no refund. So, if ever mali man to, ang isasend ko sa seller, itong vlog ko. Chloe, you go there. Tutusok ka dyan, baby.
What would I do without ya? Feeling so blue without ya. I've been spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me, no matter where we might be. I'll keep you company. I'll keep you company. Reminiscing on some better days. Had it good before you went away.
Okay guys, so I already unboxed this slim cabinet. Ayan siya. And ayan yung mga parts. Okay naman yung mga parts so far. Tapos ito din yung mga parts niya and tools. And yeah, mag-assemble na naman tayo. Good day guys, so it's already, ayan, 2:34 na ng hapon. And sorry kung may maririnig kayong ingay dyan, nagpupukpok sa labas. Alam mo, araw-araw yan. Isa din yung sa dahilan ko bakit hindi ako masyado makapag-vlog. Nahirapan ako mag-attempt mag-vlog dahil sa ingay sa labas, no? But anyways, ayun, tuloy na natin to. And I just wanna share na, ayun, kakatapos ko lang mag-update ng Excel ko, ng mga files, and mag-update ng aming shipping for the stocks. And sobra ako na-stress kasi na-delay yung shipments namin due to, upcoming holidays. Kasi madami daw talaga nagpapa-ship netong magde-December. That's why, yun, nasabay dun yung package namin, Armor Guard. Ang estimated ko kasi dapat, mid-November is okay na yung stocks, nandito na siya. Pero halos 2 weeks na siyang delay for now. So, yun, medyo nahihiya ako kasi ang sabi ko nun sa mga nagtatanong, ang dami kasi guys nagtatanong sa TikTok and sa Shopee, ayan, kung kailan daw mag-restock ng Eclipse toilet cleaner, ganyan. Tapos, ang sinabi ko, mid-November. So, mga 2nd to 3rd week yon. Pero magla-last week of November na dahil. And, ayun, wala pa rin. And, ang sabi is, not possible daw siya this week, which is November 22 kasi ngayon. So, baka mapadala siya last week pa ng November. So, kapag napadala yun dito, sobrang double time kami. So, yun, sobrang sayang lang kasi 1 month din yung parang hinintay or yung nawala. So, yun sana talaga ma-deliver na siya next week, mga early next week, ganun. Tinatry ko siyang paabutin ng November 30, payday sale. So, sana, please, Lord, paabutin mo dun. So, wala, ayun, shinare ko lang kung ano yung kinai-stressan ko this morning. Pero, yeah guys, hello, good day. Welcome to my vlog again. And for today, ayan, tama na muna yung stress kasi may kailangan pa tayong ayusin. Hindi pa tapos ang ating pag-ayos sa kwarto. We have unfinished business. So, ito yung mga need natin matago. Ayan, 2 box. Tapos itong maliit pa. I don't know kung saan sila ilalagay, pero let's see later. Tapos ito, yung shelf. Ayan, hinintay ko pa kasi si tatay. Nasa kanya yung barena. Idedrill ko siya dito. Ayan, nakaganyan siya. So yeah, let's see what would happen dito sa pagsisetup ko and paglilinis ko. And yeah, let's
Right
start.
now, no longer 17. Oh, have we been around? Got some years on us and a new balance to see. Yeah. So we're here, let us still appear inside your dreamland. Weird, let us still appear inside your sleeping. Does he know about our time inside your REM cycle and that I'm on the way where the night goes? Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad.
Hey guys, so ayan, it's almost 8 PM and ngayon lang ako natapos. So we're done. Ayan na yung pinaka-kaya kong ayos or yung pinaka-maayos na ayos as possible. Wait, I'll show you. Let's do a mini tour. So before, diba, dito nakalagay yung desk ko. Tapos dito, itong clothing rack natin. Pero dito ko na muna siya lalagay. Tapos yung salamin, nilipat ko na lang din siya katabi nitong pinaka-slim cabinet. Guys, itong slim cabinet, I'm not yet sure kung dito ko na ba talaga sila ilalagay. Kasi, ang gulo pa niya. So, random things lang. Lalo na dito, yung mga nakalagay. So, kung anay-anay lang. Tapos ito, projector. Tapos yung pang live stream ko. Kasi guys, kumakanta ako sa live streaming. Pero, natigil muna dahil sobrang busy. So, ayan. And then dito, nilagay ko lang yung picture namin. Tapos ito yung laruan to ni Amon. Tapos yung rose. Ay lang, minimal design lang. And then dito sa baba, yung mga stocks ko actually. Ayan, mga face mask, toothpick, mga tissue, and my food. And here, wait, buksan ko yung ilaw. By the way, temporary light ko lang to kasi bumili ako ng LED na mahaba. Dito ko lalagay. So, ito lang muna. Ayan, so this is gonna be my packing area. Ito, may lalagay ako dito yung mga cut nito. Para if ever madaming orders, may naka-pre-cut na ako dito. Hindi na ako masyado mahirapan. And by the way, ito guys, ginawa ko lang to. Yung pang-roll, ayan, ng honeycomb wrap. Honeycomb wrap kasi para eco-friendly. Grabe, sobra kasi akong naka-conscious sa mga bubble wrap. So, ito yung ginawa kong pang-wrap talaga, honeycomb lang. And mga pang ano lang, business stuff, packing stuff, ganun. Tapos ito yung mga tablets namin. Tapos, ayan, yung printer. And there. So, that's just about it. And for now, maglilinis naman ako ng floor kasi ang dami alikabok. And I'm gonna use this one. Ito yung ginagamit ko lagi. Yung product namin, itong all-purpose cleaner. Tablet siya, pero kapag nilagay mo yung tablet sa tubig, ayan, magiging all-purpose cleaner na siya na natural, eco-friendly, and very safe. Lalo na kapag may mga babies o fur babies kayo na pag-alagala dyan sa lapag, ayun. No fragrance, unlike other all-purpose cleaner na may amoy ganyan. Which is, for me, I have fur babies kasi si Coco and Chloe, so medyo sensitive sila sa amoy. That's why ito yung pinaka-perfect. And then, for my basahan, our sponge cloth. Ayan, ito lang yung ginagamit ko lagi, guys, kasi I swear, mas better to sa basahan. So, yeah, let's start cleaning the floors using products from Cleano.
We are right now, no longer 17. Oh, have we been
So I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Again, I'm so sorry for this long delay and sorry na agad ulit kasi hindi ko alam kailan ulit ako magkaka-time to upload. But of course, I'll try my very best to vlog when I have time. So I hope you don't lose patience. And yeah, thank you for those who waited and thank you for watching this vlog. I'll see you soon.